Alright, we got a John Deere here, JD6059P. We had customer complain of a noise. We check it and find out the bearing is knocking. Took the head off, cylinder 5 no good. Check the head, and the piston has hit the valves, and the valves is bent. This is number 5, right? No, this is number 2. This would have been number 5. Yes. That's the piston hitting it. Anyway, took all the sleeves already. Pistons are out. The whole front cover, all the accessories, timing cover, all the timing gear, rear housing. We got the block, and we got the crankshaft. This was damaged. You can see that. It melted onto it. And what else? What else? Yes, and those are all the old bearings. Anyway, I don't know how much this thing weighs, but it weighs quite a bit. See the damage there? The light. And we have a bad camshaft. If you look here, how it's wearing. This cam is about to wipe out. Look here too. See? The bad camshaft. Anyway, this is a project. The machine is right there. It's a JD, what is it? 544? Yeah, 544G. Nobody washed the radiator for years, I believe. The oil cooler. You can see the mess inside. We want to rebuild the engine. We have to take out the oil pan, and in order to do the oil pan, to diagnose the problem, what we found is the oil pickup tube has snapped off the oil pump, so the engine ran dry till the bearing gave out and started knocking. Anyway, I had to take out this and a bunch of accessories just to get access to take the oil pan off. And once we had discovered that this is the problem, I had no choice but to take out the engine because number 5 cylinder was no good. The bearing had spun, as we saw earlier. So head is already gone to the machine shop. This is going to go to the machine shop and get it dipped, get it cleaned. New crank's been ordered. We're going to order a camshaft too because the cam is no good. And we'll post more stuff later on. Over and out.